Ecuador might be the biggest turnaround story on Wall Street. We are down 90% from all-time highs, and why now it's the time and what they actually do. All about this here in this video.
Welcome to the game, I'm the Wolf of Dubai.
If you're watching this for the very first time, my name is Danny, and I'm looking for stocks that I can invest low and early for a huge return, right? I did this with Tesla. My subscribers bought houses and apartments, so you should follow as well. I also believe if you have a long-term portfolio, 20% should be in short-term, and that's why I invented extendDayTrading.com, where we trade for you. I have a professional team of day traders, and we are selecting the trades. We are sending them to you into your portfolio. It's buying and selling all automatically for you. If this is interesting for you guys, then make sure to schedule a call, and you can be like some of the members who bank thousands of dollars per week. And then also we haven't lost a trade since 3 weeks. We are having 35 weeks of the last weeks. 32 were positive, so 91% win rate on the weeks. And we are winning 95% of all our months since 4 years. So it's absolutely insane. If you want to be part of it, schedule a call with me on extendDayTrading.com and we see if we can help you as well. Now, why and what Open Doors actually doing? They're buying, they're adding liquidity, and they are selling the homes, right? So they are earning on the spread essentially, right? And obviously what almost killed the company was the rate increase over the last couple of years. But we are ending this cycle. So this is the most important part. Once rates go down, they can do this better and faster and with more profits, right? Because more people want to buy homes when the rates are getting lower. So the question is, what the new CEO actually is doing? He thinks that with software and AI, we can have higher profitability, faster speed, and therefore we will be profitable by late of 2026. Because if this really happens, guys, I don't see another point where Open can be already at $15, $12, $18 per share at the end of the year, okay? This is just like a rough estimate, obviously never financial advice and no promises, but I feel that this could be something that could be done. The new CEO comes from Shopify, so he is like a tech-based software stack specialist, and if he wants to bring it there, he's like hardworking, he is public, everything that catches those points that I love to invest in a company is there. The only thing and why Open Doors still so cheap is because they're not profitable, right? So this is the only thing. But if this little thing will be done, then the huge value increase and value unlock will be massive, right? So plus you have like a huge community, guys. Every time I invest into a stock, I always make sure it has a huge community, okay? Tesla had a huge community. BMR has a huge community, right? So I feel that this is like a kind of checkbox investment that I do, right? So I say like, okay, is the product good and profitable? Is the CEO public and really hard worker, right? Is the community strong? Same like in Palantir, right? Or Nvidia. So is there a lot of people that know about the stock, right? The open army, right? How they call themselves. So I believe that this is something very, very important, guys, because you never will buy a stock that you never heard about. If someone don't know about the company or a stock, then obviously they will not buy it. But being a product for everybody, you can see that this is something that also is interesting, because imagine you have like a flawless experience with Open Door, right? And then you say like, wow, this is something amazing that they did with me. I had a fantastic experience. I am able to invest into the company? They do some research, find Open Door, find the history, find the huge price decrease, right? And something gets very interesting then, right? Because you have more and more investors flowing in, which is obviously very good for the flow, for the liquidity of the stock, which is also very important. And I feel, to be honest with you, with the recent crash in software and tech and everything, I thought that Open Door will easily go to 3. But the strength to be back at 5, right? Or close to 5 is amazing. And I said like, hey, when this comes down to 5, I will start to invest in it. So, you know, I love to have this as my brand new addition to my portfolio, to my long-term portfolio. Remember, if you want to also have short-term profits, then check out extendDayTrading.com. We schedule a call with you, 15 minutes. You have the call with me and we see if we can help you as well. So if you are Open Army, let me know in the comments what you do with your Open stock and what is your price target. If you're buying every month, how you do with your average. And I see you obviously tomorrow for a brand new video, because the grass is greener always on the other side.